Viewers, I hope you are doing well in your life. I am Mohammadi Arishaili. I am a fourth semester student of mechanical engineering. Today I have brought a new and informative topic video for you in which we will discuss how you can solve questions involving submission of X and BF in engineering mechanics. If you watch my video carefully, you will not have any difficulty in solving all such questions and you can easily solve them. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. After reading and understanding the question, our next process will be the construction of the free body diagram. In the free body diagram, you have to show all the forces and all the reactions on external forces. Now, like here, we have shown the normal reaction. Along with it, the weight is shown. Along with the weight, the force applied on the client in newtons is also shown. Then the x and y forces were broken into the third, and this was broken into x with sin theta, and along with this we have also shown the force of friction, which will be opposite to the motion. Now, like here, the force of friction is 0.3 hc, and the hc here is the normal reaction force. The next step is the construction of a kinetic diagram. So, what do we do in a kinetic diagram? In a kinetic diagram, we do not show forces but rather show the direction. Where our object is moving, like here, our object is moving to the right side, so we have shown it on the right side. But after this, we will write all the given parameters and forces into the data. Here, for example, we have been given a force, coefficient of kinetic friction, time, and mass. So that way we will write everything here, and then in the next step we will have what we need to find. We need to find the velocity here, and the velocity will not be found directly here. We will find the velocity in this way when we know the acceleration, and we will know the acceleration when we know the normal reaction. So, we will need to find both the normal reaction and acceleration. After this, the next heading we will add will be for formulas. This will include all the formulas used in this calculation. One is the summation of Fx equal to max for the horizontal axis, and the summation of force equal to mm for the vertical axis, and equal to Vo plus Ct, which is the formula for constant acceleration. But after this, we just put our formula. Summation of Fx equals to mx. On the left side, we have written all the forces, and the first force we have is P cos theta, and the second force is the force of frictional. After that, on the right side, we have 50, and we know this will become a question for us. Question number A, in this way, we will make the mission of F 0. Now, this is made 0 because there is no acceleration in the vertical. All the forces acting in the x direction, like normal reaction weight and sinus theta, when we put them, we will have NCA, normally action A, normal reaction A. Then when we put the normal reaction in question number A, we will get A from there. Using A, we will find the velocity. B equals V plus ACT. From here, we will get the velocity, which was the required result of our question, and the result we got here is B equals 15.5 meters per second.